Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2012 third and fourth question of UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the December 2012 fifth question of UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. December 2012 fifth question is, which of the following items of social services has registered the highest rate of increase in expenditures during 2007 to 8 to 2010 to 11? Option A, education, sports and youth affairs. Option B, welfare to SC/ST and OBC. Option C, social welfare and nutrition. Option D, overall social services. So how we calculate the social services has registered the highest rate of increase in expenditure during 7 to 8 to 10 to 11. First option is education, sports and youth affairs. Option A. That is in 2007 to 8 the value is 4.02 and in 2010 to 11 the value is 4.46. Then how we calculate the increment value, increment rate in percentage? That is 4.46 minus 4.02 divided by 4.02 into 100. Final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. We get the percentage rate. Next option is welfare to SC/ST and OBC. In 2007 to 8 the value is 0.36 and in 2010 to 11 the value is 0.63. So how we get the percentage increment value? 0.63 minus 0.36 divided by 0.36 into 100. So we get the calculated value. Next option is social welfare and nutrition. The value is in 2007 to 8 that is 0.82 and in 2010 and 11 the value is 1.06. So how we calculate? 1.06 minus 0.82 divided by 0.82 into 100. So we get the percentage rate of increment value. When we calculate this value, how we calculate? Final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100. Fourth option is overall social services. That is the value is 1.29 in 2007 to 8 and in 2010 to 11 the value is 1.34. So the final value is 1.34 and the initial value is 1.29. So this is the overall social services. Overall social services value is 11.06 and 14.02. In 2007 to 8 the value is 11.06 and in 2010 to 11 the value is 14.02. So the final value is 14.02 and the initial value is 11.06. So 14.02 minus 11.06 divided by initial value, that is the 11.06 into 100, we get the percentage increment value. So how we calculate? See you in the next slide. So here is the solution. First one is education, sports and youth affairs. 4.46 minus 4.02 divided by 4.02 into 100, that is equal to 0.44 divided by 4.02 into 100, that is equal to 10.94%. Next value is welfare to SC/ST and OBC. 0.63 minus 0.36 divided by 0.36 into 100, that is equal to 0.27 divided by 0.36 into 100, that is equal to 75%. Third option is social welfare and nutrition. 1.06 minus 0.82 divided by 0.82 into 100, that is equal to 0.24 divided by 0.82 into 100, that is equal to 29.26%. And the fourth option is overall social services. The value is 14.02 final value minus initial value is 11.06 divided by initial value, that is 11.06 into 100, that is equal to 2.96 divided by 11.06 into 100, that is equal to, we get 26.76%. So which one is the highest percentage? Welfare to SC, ST and OBC, the value is 75%. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.